Remain seated. Take the nearest mask and pull it toward you to activate oxygen flow. Place it over your nose and mouth. Wrap the elastic band around your head and breathe normally. Put on your own mask first, then help others. In the event of a sudden drop in cabin pressure, the protective masks must be removed before wearing oxygen masks. Our aircraft is equipped with 4 emergency exits clearly marked with exit signs. There are 2 doors at the front and 2 doors at the rear of the cabin. All emergency exits are equipped with evacuation slides. Please get to know where the emergency exits are located and be aware that the nearest exit might be behind you. The emergency flow rating will guide you to the exits. We remind you that smoking and the use of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited on board this aircraft, including the lavatories. All lavatories have been fitted with smoke detectors. Please follow instructions given by the cabin crew and take time to read the safety instruction card, which you will find in the seat pocket in front of you. Informujemy, że korzystanie z urządzeń elektronicznych dozwolone jest podczas całego lotu. Prosimy jednak Państwa na czas startu lądowania światła w kabinie zostaną wygaszone. Mogą Państwo korzystać z oświetlenia take-off landing. The cabin lights will be switched off. You can use your individual reading light located in the overhead panel.